We're going to read My School Trip this morning. Remember, we're talking about realistic fiction. So, could this book really happen in real life? We took a school trip. First, we took a bus. Nan was my partner. Would you take a bus on a school trip? Yeah, you would. So this could happen in real life so far. Let's see. Nan was new at school. Was Nan mad? Was Nan sad? The trip was to the butterfly garden. You could go to a butterfly garden. On this page, have you ever seen someone and wondered what their emotion was? Have you ever thought, I can't tell if they're sad or if they're mad? I don't know. Me too. I've had that happen in real life. So far, this book seems realistic. Pam had a butterfly. Dan had a butterfly. I wished I had a butterfly. I had a butterfly. Nan was sad. Nan looks sad because she sees that the other girl had a butterfly. But what does Nan have? Nan had a butterfly. Nan was happy at last. Nan is my new friend. My school trip was great. Do you think that story could happen in real life? Yeah, me too. That story could definitely happen in real life. That's why this is realistic fiction. Good job.